What you doing? You got right off the blanket. What you doing? Are you having fun? Huh? Are you having fun? What you doing? You rolled over. Yeah, you rolled over. You talk to me? Nope, you're gonna ignore me. I'll shut this off. Come on, get up on your knees again. Yeah. Oh, good girl. Crawling? Aw, you went down again. Get back up. Come on. Crawl to Grandma. Huh? Aw, look at you. Yes, look at you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, yes. Just look at you. You're going backwards. You're going to pee off the blanket in a minute. Come this way. Come see Grandma. Yeah, come see Grandma. Big girl. Look at you. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Come on. Come on. By the way, this isn't anything about the finger. Okay. Let's stop, folks, and let me explain. Alright? You have a lot of pieces, that's very good. You have a lot of repeats, that's very good. I now have to decide how much of this is legitimately things you should have. Where are you going? And how much of it, based on what I'm looking at, doesn't feel to me are things that she has to pay for. Regan. I believe that she has to pay for that. But what does she have to pay? What she has to pay for by law is for the value of the item that she gives. Not to give you a bonus. Ooh, I get free carpeting on the Section 8 girl. No, it puts you in the position you were in before the bad thing happened. If she trashes your place, then that you get recompense. But you do not get, what did you do? What's Grandpa doing? Oh, you found the tag. You just love that tag. Regan, say hi to Mommy and Daddy. You just couldn't care less what I'm saying, could you? Let me tell you the things I think you have a right to and the things you don't. One we've already gone over is the plumbing. Regan. I'm not quite as convinced as you are on is the plumbing. And the reason that I'm not convinced is all plumbing looks like this when you yank it out of the wall. Okay? Especially 40-year-old plumbing. You say I've got proof that she wrongfully had a washing machine in there, which I'm willing to buy, and that its backup caused all this corrosion. She couldn't care less what I'm saying or doing, could she? No. Look at that. Yep.